my fiance. I can't promise that life won't be hard. I can't promise you that I will get better at cooking. But I can promise you my everlasting love. You are my dream come true, and I promise to give you my best self.
I wasn't listening. Forget all.
My dear Bailey, to many around the world, today was just an ordinary day, but to us, it was the best day of our lives. It was the day we came together in front of people and God to show our love for one another.
Lost in the evening.
I promise from keeping you hangry, and I promise to keep you safe always. One day we're gonna grow old, and we will always remember that we laughed, we loved, and we lived our best lives together. I love you with all my heart, and thank you for choosing me to be your friend.
Don't get up. Love, please. Elegant. Safe place for me to leave. Remember all the brilliant things. Brushstroke skies tucked behind cityscapes. All I wanted.
You accept this ring and the vows for all the days?
Oh yeah, thank you. Yep.
Alrighty. Now pronounce you husband and wife. Pep, you may now kiss your wife. Felicidades.
Suddenly I'm seeing everything so different. Like I'm looking at the world through a brand new lens. Every shade of green and blue, and it's all because of you. I'm seeing everything. You make me wanna celebrate, celebrate, celebrate. Celebrate, 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 celebrate tonight. Like a picture that I've painted in.
And I couldn't dream up a more perfect match for you than Pep.
Came to life in every feeling that
I feel like he needed someone to match that, and I feel that that's Bailey. Because as much as he cares for others, I think Bailey's the perfect match for that.
You volunteered for this. I was blood.
I love you to death. Miss Fit, Miss Congratulations.
Celebrate tonight. Celebrate tonight. Celebrate tonight. Like a picture that I've painted in my wildest dreams. Came to life in every feeling that you gave to me. You make me wanna celebrate.